All right, we are in weather alert mode given the heat advisory in effect for parts of the state. The warm temperatures or hot temperatures in tandem with the high humidity will create heat index values 95 to 100 today and also tomorrow. So clearly the month of July has been a hot one, making some big headlines here. The average temperature right now is 1/10 of a degree away from being on track to be the hottest July since records have been kept. And notable too, we've had three heat waves this month. The fourth one underway currently becomes official tomorrow, and our number of 90-degree days as of yesterday up to 16. 17 is the record for the month from 2016, and we are just a couple degrees away from 90 now. So we'll likely tie that record, of course, today. Here in the noon hour, mid and upper 80s inland, and already into the mid 80s as well. 84 popular figure along the Connecticut coastline. So dew point values, they're up there, upper 60s and low 70s, making it feel even hotter. Heat index values in the low 90s for many communities across interior Connecticut here in the noon hour, and those numbers will only go up as we head through the course of the afternoon as temperatures go even higher. So our iCam view from Hartford showing a lot of hazy sunshine out there, more of the same. Checking out the scene live from New Haven, and temperatures again this afternoon 90 to maybe even 95 across interior portions of the state, mid to upper 80s, perhaps even close to 90 throughout coastal southwest Connecticut. And we're also going to see the chance for some isolated thunderstorms. While things are quiet now on early warning pinpoint Doppler, may become a bit more active as we head into the peak of the heating today with some instability, the high humidity, and those very warm temperatures. So otherwise quiet right now, but again will become a bit more active through the course of the afternoon. And looking at the big picture, we do have a cold front that eventually is going to be heading in our direction, bringing us a better chance for rain and thunderstorms statewide. This is going to be coming on Wednesday late in the day. That's when we'll see that better chance for rain and storms. So in the meantime, here's Futurecast. Start you off at noon today. You'll see some specks of green popping up. So again, isolated development today, and those that do pop up could produce some heavy rain, some frequent lightning, perhaps even a little gusty wind. They could be slow moving as well. So when they develop, could be a concern for some poor drainage flooding in areas if the storms stay over the same location. Then as the sun sets later on this evening, the threat will diminish for the rain, and then tomorrow basically a repeat performance of today. We'll start off with some sunshine through the course of the afternoon, looking for more showers and storms to once again develop well in advance of the cold front again that's off to our west late in the day tomorrow. So here's Futurecast. Step you a little bit farther in time. Wednesday morning, 7 a.m. We've got the front off to our west, eventually headed in our direction. So by Wednesday afternoon, the threat for rain and thunderstorms you can see going up statewide with that front. And behind this front, we trend cooler and as well less humid for the end of the week as we kick off the month of August. So again, isolated storm chance tomorrow. Heat index values again up to around, if not even over 100. 90 and humid on Wednesday with that chance for rain and thunderstorms. Then behind the front, turning less humid, a couple degrees cooler. Mid 80s on Thursday and Friday, morning lows back in the mid 60s. And for the upcoming weekend, at least as of now, looks to be primarily dry, maybe an isolated shower or storm, but nothing too substantial, at least as of now, and 80s as well along the shoreline for the weekend.
All right, but it's going to feel like it's more than 100 today,
yeah,
right?
That's the concern. Is it's not only the heat, it's the humidity, and that's why we have that heat advisory up for parts of the state. So yeah, spend as little time outdoors. Remember to stay hydrated. We've gone through this many times this summer already, so same song and dance.
We have, yeah.